Hey guys, today Rayleigh here, and this is Raising a Little Genius. Let's talk about it. This month we're talking about thankfulness and gratitude. Now, what does that have to do with raising a little genius? Well, gratitude and thankfulness happens to be the thing that builds great self-esteem and positive behavior in children. When you teach them to be thankful and grateful, it opens the door for them not only to see themselves as strong, capable, and positive, but it allows them to see other things in that way too. So remember, thankfulness and gratitude is not just something you teach in November, in a season where thankfulness and Thanksgiving is being talked about. It's something that we should teach our little genius all year long. Check us out every Tuesday as we talk about it. Any topic that we give for the month, we'll sit down and talk about why it will impact you and your little geniuses. Because let's face it, parenting is hard, so why do it alone? Raising Little Geniuses is a community of people who want the best for you and your little genius. So go ahead, click the link below and become a part of our community by joining our email.